Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling a Leetcode problem called minimum deletions to make string K special. It sounds a bit abstract, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into simple, manageable steps. Let's get started. So here's the deal. We're given a string, which the problem calls word, and an integer, which it calls kfems. Our goal is to make this string K special. A string is K special if, for any two characters that exist in the string, the difference between their frequencies, so their counts, is less than or equal to K iterate. Our job is to find the smallest number of characters we need to delete from the original string to meet this condition. Let's look at a simple example. The word is A, B, C, A, B, A, and K is 0. A K of 0 means the difference in frequencies must be 0, which is just a fancy way of saying all characters left in the string must have the exact same frequency. First, let's count what we have. There are 4 A's, 2 B's, and 1 C fricks. To make them all have the same frequency, we could aim for a frequency of 2. To do that, we would need to delete 2 of the A's and the single C fricks. That's a total of 3 deletions. The resulting word could be baba, where A and B both appear twice. That fits the rule. So what's the core challenge here? After we delete characters, all the remaining character counts have to live inside a specific window. Let's say in our final string, the character with the lowest count has a frequency we'll call min frequency, and the character with the highest count has a max frequency. The K special rule simply means that the max frequency minus the min frequency can't be more than K phis. Every character's count must fall within this small range. Trying every possible way to delete characters would take forever. So we need a smarter approach. Here's the key insight. Instead of worrying about all the possibilities at once, what if we just focus on one thing? What will the lowest frequency be in our final perfect string? Let's call this our base frequency. If we can just assume a value for this base frequency, we can then figure out exactly what we need to do with every other character to make it fit the K special rule. Okay, let's run with that idea. We pick a base frequency. This sets our target window. Any character we decide to keep must have a final count that is between our base frequency and base frequency plus K iterate. So for every character in the original string, we check its count. If its count is already lower than our chosen base frequency, well, we can't keep it. We have to delete all of its instances. If its count is higher than base frequency plus K primes, it's too frequent. We just need to delete enough of them to trim its count down to the top of our allowed window. The total number of these deletions is the cost for this one guess. Alright, here's how that strategy looks in Python code. I know it's a block of code, but don't feel intimidated. We're going to break it down piece by piece. The logic inside is exactly what we just discussed. First things first, we need to know what we're working with. This initial part of the code simply goes through the input word one character at a time. It uses a dictionary, or a hash map, to store the frequency of each character. So if it sees an A, it adds 1 to the count for A. After it's done, we pull out just the frequencies themselves into a list, which we're calling counts. Now for the main event. We start by assuming the worst-case scenario, that we have to delete every single character. Then, we start our main loop. We iterate through each of the frequencies we found, and in each turn we pretend that frequency is our base frequency. Inside, a second loop calculates the total cost. For every other character's frequency, it checks, is it too low? If so, add its full count to our deleted total. Is it too high? If so, add the extra amount to deleted. After checking all characters for one base frequency, we see if we found a new, lower total for deletions. We repeat this for all possible base frequencies and keep the best result. So how efficient is this approach? Let's use C to represent the number of unique characters in our string. Because we have a loop that checks every frequency, and inside of it, another loop that does the same thing, the time complexity is roughly C times C spresh, or what we call big O of C squared. Since we're dealing with lowercase English letters, C is at most 26. So C squared is very small and very fast. For space, we just need to store the character counts, so the memory usage is proportional to the number of unique characters, or big O of C praise. Let's do a quick recap. The problem was all about getting character frequencies to fit inside a certain window of size catcher. The brute force approach is too slow, so we found a much cleverer way. The main trick was to realize we can just test every existing frequency as the potential minimum of our final string. For each of these potential minimums, we calculate the total deletions required. We find the minimum cost among all these scenarios, and that gives us our final answer. And that's all there is to it. I hope this breakdown helped make the problem and its solution clearer. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and maybe subscribe for more explanations like this. If you have any questions or a different way of solving it, I'd love to see it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next one.